it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for a shower stool or even something to put by your bathtub, this is ideal. This shower stool by Rohkex is amazing.
I like this corner white and brown shower stool for how comfortable it is. I love sitting down in the shower personally. I like relaxing. I also like having the convenience to shave with my leg propped up. I think it's also very practical because I can put my bottles on it and keep it out of the way. So it looks really good in the corner in the shower, in small spaces, or even next to my bath. It helps me to have all my favorite things next to me, and it also is waterproof and it stays very clean. It dries very quickly and easy. However, it looks elegant. It looks like wood, but it doesn't swell like wood. The legs are also adjustable and the bottom is scratch free, so I'm not scratching my floor. I love how easy it was to put together. It took me no time at all. This thing is durable, it's sturdy, it holds up to 300 pounds. It's perfect for any dead space in your home. So even if you want to use it for plants or decor, it's very aesthetically pleasing in the corner. I definitely feel more organized with this shower stool, and it makes a huge difference.
But that's just my point of view.